Hello guys, so in this video we will have a look at part 2 video of practice set 10 and we are going to solve questions, question number 3. So let us solve the first question. It says Suyash bought 2 half kg of sugar and Ashish bought 3 half kg of sugar. How much sugar did they buy altogether? This is the first part. And if sugar cost 32 rupees per kg, how much did they spend on the sugar they bought? This is the second part. So let us solve the first part. Altogether is amount of sugar bought by Suyash plus amount of sugar bought by Ashish, which equals the addition of these two mixed fractions. So first we will convert them to improper fractions. Multiply 2 and 2, add 1 to the product. Multiply 3 and 2, add 1 to the product. Denominator will remain 2 in both the cases. Yeah, so your multiplication becomes 2 multiplied by 2 plus 1 the whole by 2 plus 3 multiplied by 2 plus 1 the whole by 2. So you get 4 plus 1 by 2 and 6 plus 1 by 2. So you have 5 by 2 plus 7 by 2. So you have 12 by 2. Now when you do 12 by 2, you divide 12 by 2, you get 6, right? So your answer is 6. Part 2 says that if Suyash, if per kg sugar costs rupees 32, so how much will 6 kg cost? We'll write that down here. If 1 kg cost as rupees 32, then 6 kg will cost as rupees 6 multiplied by 32, which is 192, and you write rupees 192. Rupees is important. Okay, so we are done with our first question. You can imagine that you went to buy sugar. 1 kg of sugar cost rupees 20. So how much will 6 kg cost? 6 multiplied by 20, right? Numbers game. That's it. Now we will solve the third question. Sandeep filled water in 4 by 7 of an empty tank. After that, Ramakant filled water. Filled water is important. In 1 by 4 of more of the same tank. Umesh had used 3 by 14th part of the tank to water the garden. If the maximum capacity of the tank is 560 liters, this is important information. How much liters of water will be left in the tank? Okay, so, I'm sorry. Yeah. So, see, Sandeep used 4 by 7 liters of what? Of the tank. So here you will write 4 by 7 of 560. So how did we write this equation? Why did we write this equation? See, when you have, say for example, this is a pond, okay, and there is water filled here. You can say half of it is filled. If the capacity of the tank is 100 liters, so how much will be filled? 50 liters, right? Because half. So how did you do this? Half multiplied by 100, right? You did half multiplied by 100. So similarly here also we can carry out this multiplication like half multiplied by 100. Why half multiplied by 100? See, fraction is part by whole. Here our part is 1 by 2 and our whole is 560. Okay, so like this, part is not 1 by 2. For example, you can say we took an example of 1 by 2. Now it is clear of Sandeep. Now Ramakant, he used 1/4. So we will write 1/4 multiplied by 560. He filled, not used. And then we have another one, Umesh. He used 3 by 14 of the tank. So now this is the important part. So you will write 4 by 7 into 560 plus 1 by 4 into 560. Now you might be wondering that how do we know that it will be plus or minus? See, they both filled the tank, right? They both filled. So when you fill, for example, you fill water in a glass, so the water increases, right? The amount of water increases. And now we have, that's why we will add them. And now we have minus 3 by 14 multiplied by 560. So why minus? Because Umesh took out some water. Now for example, you fill the glass with water and then your friend comes and he takes out some water. He throws away some water or he transfers some of the water to other glass. So what did he do? He took out some water. So we subtract it. Now you can write this as 4 multiplied by 560 divided by 7 plus 560 into 1 divided by 4 minus 3 into 560 divided by 14. So now you can carry out this division. So you can divide 560 and 7. Let us divide 560 and 7. 7 8s are 56 and you have 0. So you write 0, you get 80. So you get 4 multiplied by 80. What did we do is we divided 7 and 560. You can do it. You can divide 4 and 7 as well. But why we didn't divide? Because when you divide 4 and 7, you will get some answer in decimal points, and that answer will not be an integer or not be a whole number. So there is no use of doing that. Now you have to divide this 4 and 560. So let us divide 560 by 4. So 19 into 4 we know is 56. Right? Oh no, sorry. It's not 19. Sorry. Let us go step by step here as well. Yeah, 14 into 4 is 560. 140. So you have 1 multiplied by 140. This 4 will remain as it is. This 1 will remain as it is, and that's why it came here. And now you have to divide 560 by 14. We just now saw that 14 multiplied by 4 is 56. We have 0 here as well. So we have 3 multiplied by 40. Now we will carry out the operation. 4 multiplied by 80. Again we have to multiply. 1 multiplied by 140 is 140 itself, and 40 multiplied by 3 is 120. So first we will use BODMAS rule here. We will add. So 320 plus 140 will give you 460 minus of 120. So 460 minus 120 is 340, and 340 liters is your answer. 340 liters of water is left in the tank. So guys, we just solved the question with a star mark. We solved the question with star mark. So I hope you get this. That is it for today. Thank you.